Hey y'all, hey, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Trew. I'm so glad you could join me. Today, as you can see from the title, I'll be showing you how I like to wear my half a wigs with no leave out. Before I start this video, I want to give a big shout out to one of my subscribers. She always have her notification bell on. Thank you so much for the support, girl. You just don't know how much I appreciate that. Okay, so let's get to style 1, which is my favorite style. All I did was add a cute headband over my hair, and then that's pretty much it. You do your baby hair edges, whatever you want to call it, in the front, and then it's really quick and easy. Style 2 is another version of style 1. This one give you more of a pushback, cute slayer edges, baby hair type of a style. I like to wear my headband like towards the side, like the little bow towards the side, or even sometimes in the center, and then just fix your little edges and baby hair. Make it look more realistic, like it's coming out of your scalp or that you got a sew-in with leave out. This half a wig is so cute, and I had only bought it for $15 at the beauty supply store. If you want to see that video of this hair, click the link below. Style 3. This is another style that I do love, and people never know that it is a pair of leggings on my head. It's just some affordable leggings that I had got from Forever 21. They're super affordable. I think it was like $4 or so. So all you're doing is put it on your head, twist it, and then start putting it in a circular motion, if that was understandable for you. But yeah, you're just gonna twist it, and then start wrapping it around your bun. This style is super cute if you're going out or you just want to be a little dramatic. I did this style also with another wig when I went to New York. I'm going to insert some pictures. So I actually found a video instead. I was saying yay or nay to my nose ring. What do you think? Yay or nay? And yes, of course, it's fake. You guys think I should make a video on how I do my head wraps? Comment below and let me know. Style 4 is also similar to style 3, but here I'm just using a regular silk scarf. You could use any scarf that you have, just make sure it's big enough for your head. Me, I have a big head, of course, so I had to get a big scarf. This is just a silk scarf that I got from the beauty supply store. I feel like this one is not so dramatic. It's real cute, and it's like just a real small bun. If you're going out to supermarket or pick your kids up or whatever you have to do, it's just something super quick and easy so you can still be cute and bougie. And don't really mind me, throughout this video I was posing so I could get some thumbnails so I wouldn't have to take additional photos. If you like this video and you want to see more of me, subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you in my next video.